Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new boat from Sea Ray that we have available and in stock. This is their 320 Sundancer Outboard. Starting off with the boat's profile, gorgeous boat with the full horizon gray hull color with a white boot stripe. Hull side windows accented in black. Also match the trim of the hardtop. Beautiful looking boat, especially on the water. We do have a transom ladder on the starboard side. This boat is powered by triple 250 horsepower Mercury Verados. These are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines, and this boat also has joystick. Now we'll make our way inside. So now here on the boat's transom, got a couple of lockers here on the back, a little bit of storage back here. We've also got our connections to shore power, battery switches, and fresh water. Larger storage locker here. So great for extra life jackets, deflatable tube, as this boat does have a ski tow bit on top of the hardtop. Shore power cord, anything you want to take with you. Nice full walk-through transom with big, wide corners on the transom, so you can easily access one side of the boat to the other. We've got a really tall stainless steel cockpit door with an acrylic screen. We've got a freshwater sprayer here as you re-enter the boat. When you're coming in from the beach, you can rinse off. Stereo remote. Sound system is a Fusion Bluetooth stereo sound system. Really nice, spacious cockpit here. Great for entertaining. We have our Kenyan electric grill, freshwater sink with a nice deep sink base. Corian countertop. We have our 110 volt plug-ins, so you can plug in your blenders and stuff like that. Trash receptacle. And we also have a pull-out refrigerator with a freezer box. We've got air conditioning on the main deck with your control panel here, in addition to the air conditioning down in the cabin. This boat does have the Sure Shade, extendable powered Sure Shade on the hardtop. And we also have the powered hatch, which is this button right here. And this whole section will lift up to expose the boat's bilge area, which is where all your batteries are located. Storage, dedicated storage for the table, steering pumps, through holes, things like that can also be used for storage. We've got a portable cooler beneath the aft cockpit seat. A little storage box here, and then more storage beneath this seat. This is the stone colored upholstery. Goes great with this boat, especially the exterior color. Very comfortable seating throughout the boat, but especially in the cockpit area. We've got the cockpit table currently in the full down position. It has two adjustable legs or stanchions, so you can raise this all the way upright, or you can drop it down low and then put a filler cushion on top, so you've got a more expansive lounge area. But really comfortable boat from Sea Ray. They've done an outstanding job on the 320 Dancer. Further forward, we have more opposing seating here. Again, nice high backrest. Port side has a seat with an adjustable backrest where you can either lounge comfortably facing aft, or you can sit facing forward. Again, nice tall backrest. The bolster hits the back of your legs very comfortably. Really comfortable seating throughout the boat. At the helm, we have two bolsters that adjust independently of each other. So the driver can use this as a leaning post or sit. Same thing for the observer. Twin 12-inch Simrad screens at the helm. This leather-wrapped steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt base. All of our controls are easily accessed from our sound system. All of our lights, our pumps, our windlass anchor, our trim tab controls, spotlight, And then certainly our throttles. We have digital throttle and shift, our digital start and stops, and then our joystick control is conveniently located here as well. We also have an air conditioning vent at the helm. We've got the windshield currently open, but you do have isinglass that snaps in place for those colder running days. VHF radio is located at the bottom. And we've also got a couple of charging ports for USB here as well. You notice we have the SeaDeck gray flooring, foam flooring throughout the boat. On the port side, before we make our way down to the cabin, we have designated storage for a bow table. Stows away nice and clean. Making our way down into the cabin. This boat has a very comfortable V-berth area. It functions with a table, much like the cockpit table, that you can raise and lower with two different stanchions, and then a filler cushion that goes on top. Television is located forward. We've got privacy curtains, speakers, overhead lighting, good headroom on this boat, over 6 feet of headroom. Really nice accents on all the woodwork. The flooring, tile flooring in the head, porcelain toilet, large vessel sink, porthole, storage with a mirror. More air conditioning inside here as well. And your shower. You have a lot of storage back here in the aft cabin, but this aft cabin comfortably sleeps two. You have a television on the starboard side. A lot of storage throughout. All the boat's canvas is currently back here, along with the filler cushion for that cockpit table. And then in the galley area, we have a microwave, another refrigerator with a freezer box, and then cabinet style storage down below. And now we'll make our way up to the bow area. Again, spotlight, windlass anchor mounted up front. You've got remote controls up here, in addition to what you have at the dash. And then more access down below. This boat also has a bow sunshade option. So you've got the stanchions that go in place there, and the canvas connects up to the stainless eyelets on top of the hardtop. Huge sun lounge up here in the bow. So you've got the mount for the bow table. You've got a stereo remote, cup holder, speakers on both sides. You have fold down armrests and then a fixed armrest here. Really very comfortable reclined position. Great place to sit when you're underway or if you're beached or anchored for the day. That is a look of Sea Ray's 320 Sundancer. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We are located just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Take exit 23A right off the highway. We're the big yellow building. You can't miss us. Give us a call, 843-747-1889 if you have any questions about this boat or any of our others. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.